Learn English in Gujarati. Comprehensive to patchy with.
વ્યાપક,
And.
અધૂરું.
Welcome, brave word nerd. You are about to learn some very intelligent words without sounding like a robot in a necktie. And yes, you can absolutely do this. Today you will meet 8 useful ideas in English and Gujarati. Comprehensive is.
વ્યાપક,
Detailed is.
વિગતવાર.
Conscience is.
કોન્શિયન્સ,
Concise is.
સંક્ષિપ્ત.
Stringent is.
કડક,
Coherent is.
સુસંગત.
And patchy or incomplete is.
અધૂરું.
Think of this chapter as a tiny gym for your brain, except with fewer burpees and more vocabulary. The report from Planet Office. Let's start with a ridiculous office story, because your brain loves drama more than grammar. Listen for the Gujarati words. On Planet Office 7, the boss asked for a report. Ravi brought a
વ્યાપક,
report. It covered everything: budget, coffee quality, missing staplers, and the emotional life of the photocopier. Meena brought a
વિગતવાર.
report. It explained every number, every date, every comma, and possibly the family history of the paper clips. Then Dev brought a
સંક્ષિપ્ત.
report. It was short, sharp, and useful. The boss cried a little and said, "Finally, a report I can finish before retirement." But poor Bob brought an
અધૂરું.
report. Half the pages were missing, one chart was upside down, and the conclusion simply said, "Something happened." Moral of the story.
વ્યાપક,
Means broad and complete.
વિગતવાર.
Means full of detail.
સંક્ષિપ્ત,
Means brief but meaningful, and
અધૂરું.
means incomplete or patchy. Meet the strict principle. Now let's visit a school where the rules are so strict that even the clocks arrive early. This is where you learn stringent. The principal had
કડક,
rules: no late homework, no chewing gum, no singing dramatic movie songs during math class. If a student asked, "Are the rules flexible?" the answer was, "No, they are."
કડક,
Single quote. In English, stringent means very strict. In Gujarati, that is
કડક.
easy memory trick. The sound feels sharp and firm, just like a strict rule. So say it with confidence: stringent.
કડક,
When ideas actually make sense. This section is for every person who has listened to a confusing speech and thought, "Wow, those words were in a fight." Let's fix that. When ideas connect clearly from beginning to end, they are coherent. In Gujarati, coherent is
સુસંગત.
a.
સુસંગત,
Explanation is easy to follow. A.
સુસંગત.
Plan helps a team work better. Imagine puzzle pieces fitting together perfectly. That is
સુસંગત.
if your speech jumps from homework to mangoes to aliens to tax policy with no connection, that is not coherent. That is chaos wearing shoes. The tiny lawyer in your chest. Now for a word with feelings, morality, and a little inner drama. Yes, your heart is getting a cameo. Conscience is your inner moral voice, the part of you that says, "Maybe do not steal the last samosa and blame the dog." In Gujarati here, conscience is
કોન્શિયન્સ,
my.
કોન્શિયન્સ,
Tells me to be honest. A clear.
કોન્શિયન્સ.
Brings peace. Touch your chest and say it once.
કોન્શિયન્સ.
Good. Now your vocabulary sounds wise and slightly dramatic, which is a wonderful combination. Quick contrast drill. You learn faster when words bump into each other politely. So let's compare them. A.
વ્યાપક,
Guide covers many parts. A.
વિગતવાર.
Guide gives many details. A.
સંક્ષિપ્ત,
Answer is short and to the point. An.
અધૂરું.
Answer is incomplete. A.
સુસંગત,
Argument makes sense from start to finish. A messy argument makes listeners stare into the distance.
Kadak.
Rules are strict. Your
Conscience.
is your inner moral guide. You can have a
व्यापक.
report that is also.
विगतवार.
You can also have a
संक्षिप्त.
summary that is still.
सुसंगत.
But if your notes are,
अधूरू.
your brain may file a complaint. Mini dialogue at the tea stall. Time for a small spoken scene. Hear how the words sound in a natural rhythm. A. Did you finish the presentation? B. Yes. The main report is.
व्यापक.
But the summary is.
संक्षिप्त.
A. Nice. Is it also?
सुसंगत.
B. Yes, completely. Unlike my first draft, which looked like it was written by 3 sleepy pigeons. A. And the safety section? B. Very.
विगतवार.
The rules are.
कड़क.
A. Good. Last time your notes were.
अधूरू.
B. I know. My.
Conscience.
Still wakes up at night and judges me. Your turn, genius. Now you answer in your head or out loud. No pressure, but the imaginary pigeons are listening. What Gujarati word means comprehensive?
व्यापक.
What Gujarati word means detailed?
विगतवार.
What Gujarati word means concise?
संक्षिप्त.
What Gujarati word means stringent or strict?
कड़क.
What Gujarati word means coherent?
सुसंगत.
What Gujarati word means conscience?
Conscience.
What Gujarati word means patchy or incomplete?
अधूरू.
Friendly wrap up. You did it. Your vocabulary is now smarter, sharper, and probably wearing glasses. Today you practiced comprehensive as.
व्यापक.
Detailed as.
विगतवार.
Conscience as.
Conscience.
Concise as.
संक्षिप्त.
Stringent as.
कड़क.
Coherent as.
सुसंगत.
And patchy as.
अधूरू.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and use them in tiny sentences until they feel natural. You are doing great, so come back soon and keep building your English and Gujarati step by step.